True solid sandwich units provide an answer to any food service environment. TSSUs feature R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, providing an environmentally friendly refrigeration system with shorter compressor run times, lower energy consumption, and the industry's coldest holding temperatures. The oversized and balanced environmentally friendly forced air refrigeration system directs airflow beneath the food pans to hold food temperatures between 33 and 41 degrees. TSSUs come in 5 sizes and are also designed to accommodate American Disability Act's requirements. Units are manufactured with all stainless steel front, top, and sides. A stainless steel patented foam insulated cover keeps food pans colder to lock in freshness. A Megatop insulated stainless steel cover or telescoping glass top lid option is also available and accommodates a third row of food pan storage. A full-length white polyurethane removable cutting board provides a large sanitary NSF-approved workspace. Self-closing swing doors feature recessed handles and easily removable gaskets. A 90-degree stay-open feature allows for easy loading and unloading. TSSUs can also be configured with drawers for convenient food pan storage. The NSF-approved interior features sanitary, clear aluminum sides and top with cove corners for easy cleaning, along with a durable, high-quality stainless steel floor. Units come standard with 2 adjustable, heavy-duty PVC-coated wire shelves per door. True's commitment to use the highest quality materials, engineered and balanced with fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provide colder product temperatures, exceptional food safety, lower utility costs, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's TSSU refrigerators.